After 3 La Nina years in a row, the extended wet weather is likely to soon come to an end. Conditions are expected to return to neutral within the next 2 months. There are signs an El Nino weather pattern is not far away, meteorologist Rob Sharp explains.
For the last 3 years, La Nina has been driving rain and flooding into eastern Australia. The end is near, but it's not here yet. Flooding is still an elevated risk for eastern Australia. The dams are full, the ground is wetter than usual, and there is still potential for heavy rainfall to cause big floods. La Nina will probably end in late January or February, ushering in neutral conditions in the Pacific Ocean, but if history repeats itself, that will be short-lived. Of the 9 observed double and triple La Nina events since 1900, 6 have been immediately followed by El Nino years and only 3 have been followed by neutral years. And from looking through the data, I've also found a small relationship between an early end to La Nina, like we're experiencing, and an El Nino forming in the following year. And it's not just history suggesting El Nino is on its way, but global forecast models are suggesting the same thing. Therefore, I rate an El Nino a 65% chance of occurring next year, whilst neutral conditions, a 30% chance and almost no chance of another La Nina event. So, what does this mean? Well, the next spring and summer look very different. Climate change and El Nino should join forces to produce record challenging heat. Much of the country will be drier than usual with an increased fire threat, and droughts are likely to begin in some areas, but dams should help communities get through until at least the end of next year. Essentially, it's time to prepare for a shift from one extreme to the other.